Hi everyone, this is Masterpiece Convoy back with my toy review on the Weapon Assault Drone from Iron Man 2. The first thing that I'm going to talk about is what I like and hate about it. He comes with the same product catalog, but a different bio. The same base stand for display, which it still has one peg instead of two, which I still hate. A different drone card, but the same material used on the Air Assault drone card. But since I have two different drone cards, I can show you the mix and match to create your very own armor cards. Now, this concept was not just used in the first movie when Tony and Jensen were creating the Mark I blueprints. It was also later on used in the Iron Man anime series. As for articulation, he's got a decent amount of it. The arms can move up and down, as well as side to side. The elbows can bend. The legs can rotate 360 degrees. Move side to side. The knees can bend. The foot can also bend and rotate 360 degrees. The upper body part can rotate 360 degrees. Plus the head can also rotate 360 degrees. He also comes with two heads, which you can switch from one head to the other. Detachable saw blades, which you can switch from saw blades to whips. The side panels on the arms can fold down. Plus, he also has a hole in the back, so if you have the aerosol drone figure, you could fit the jetpack on his back. Now last but not least, you can put both the toy and the card on the base stand for display. Well, that's it for the Weapon Assault Drone Toy Review. This is Masterpiece Convoy signing off.